Chapter 8: Algorithms and Flowcharts. Chapter includes algorithms, rules for writing an algorithm, working of flowcharts, advantages of an algorithm's flowcharts. Algorithms. An algorithm is a list of instructions or the steps required to solve a problem on a computer. You think and write the steps required to solve a given problem. An algorithm is written before you write a program. It helps you to clearly outline the steps and subsequently used for the development of a good program. A set of sequential instructions which are used to execute a specific task or solve a mathematical or logical problem is called an algorithm. The algorithm is written in the simple English language, a precise manner, so that the steps should be understood easily. Let us take some examples. Example 1. Algorithm to arrange school bag. Step 1. Open the bag. Step 2. Take out your school diary. Step 3. See the timetable. Step 4. Go to your bookshelf. Step 5. Take out the books and notebooks. Step 6. Put them in a school bag. Step 7. Close the bag. Example 2. Algorithm to add two numbers. Step 1. Take first number. Step 2. Take second number. Step 3. Add these two numbers. Step 4. Print the sum. Step 5. Stop. Advantages of an algorithm. The following are the advantages of an algorithm. It helps us to think logically and helps to identify the best approach to solve a problem. It uses a definite procedure. Algorithms are easy to understand. Algorithms are easy to implement. Algorithms are machine independent. It can easily be converted into flowcharts. Algorithms help in detecting and eliminating errors from the program. Rules for writing an algorithm. There are some rules or guidelines for writing an algorithm. These rules make algorithm easily understand by different people. Follow the rules as mentioned below while writing an algorithm. 1. Align statement numbers to each line, such as Step 1, Step 2, Step 2, Step 2. Always begin an algorithm with start. 3. Write each instruction in a separate line. 4. Write stop at the end of the algorithm. Flowcharts. A flowchart is a pictorial representation of an algorithm. A flowchart indicates the flow of the program or instructions. Different geometrical shapes and lines with arrows are used to create a flowchart. Following are the different components of flowchart and their function. This is called start-stop box and is used at the beginning and at the end of a flowchart. This is called the input-output box and is used for showing the input and output in a flowchart. Input-output box is represented by a parallelepiped. This is called the processing box and is used for processing and calculating instructions. Processing box is represented by rectangle. This is decision condition box and is used for decision making and applying conditions. These are flow lines that show the flow of instructions. Flow lines are represented by arrows. These are connectors that are used to connect one part of flowchart to the another. Working of flowchart. Following are the methods for working of flowchart. Flowcharts begin with start and end with stop. Problems are broken into smaller steps. The boxes are chosen depending on the steps. The general direction of flow in a flowchart is from top to bottom or left to right. Connectors are used to connect the different parts of a flowchart. Let us take few examples of flowcharts to understand. 1. A flowchart to find the product of 8 and 5. 2. A flowchart to find the sum of 125 and 75. 3. Draw a flowchart to input two numbers and find the greater number. 4. Draw a flowchart to input 5 numbers. Sum up, calculate average and print sum and average. Key points. Algorithm is a set of sequential instructions that are used to execute a specific task or solve a mathematical or logical problem. Algorithms help in detecting and eliminating errors from the program. The processing box is represented by rectangle. Flowchart is a pictorial representation of an algorithm. Start-stop box is used at the beginning and at the end of a flowchart.